Hello guys, today I've got DOOGEE BoneAir Swim and I'm going to show you where you can easily find the serial number. The serial number can be easily found right here, where you have these buttons, and up on the opposite side of the buttons, right here, we've got a lot of cool information about, cool data actually, about our headphones. So here, let me zoom it in for you. What we've got here, let's take a look. Here we've got many things, but the thing that is to our information is the serial number that is located right over here. I don't know if I can show you this clearly. I have no such idea. It's right here. We've got made in China, some information, and here we've got SN. That's it, bye.